Good morning, everyone. This is Ocean 6, and today we're going to be talking about hunger. Briefly, let's talk about the structure of this video. After a short introduction, we will talk about the key concepts. We will then talk about the hunger among southern nations. And finally, we will focus on the USA. As an introduction, let's mention some facts. Did you know that 1 out of 9 people in the world do not have enough food to live a healthy and active life? Or that Asia is the continent in the world with most hungry people? Now let's go through the concepts we'll explain in class. First, we'll explain the difference between the North and the South in terms of geopolitics. Then, we'll talk about the difference between undernutrition and malnutrition. And finally, we will go through the concepts of food power and food security. Let's now focus on the southern nations. About these developing and undeveloped countries, 3 elements are worth mentioning. First, the weight of the northern and the weakness of the south in the world food trade. As you can see, all southern countries together represent only 25% of the global food exports. Second, today there is an increasing phenomena in which the richest countries are buying lands from the poorest countries for agricultural purposes, especially in Africa. Lastly, according to Sylvie Brunel, a famous specialist of Africa, the main reason that some countries suffer from hunger are not related to climate issues, but to the solvency of the countries and their governments. Another curious fact. Did you know that 1 billion people in the world suffer from hunger? That represents 1 human out of 7. And among them, 15 to 20 million are living in northern countries. So, let's focus on a developed country, the United States. During this part, we will focus on 2 things. First, the impact of the economic crisis on the society level. And then, the high level of inequality of the country, especially compared to other developed countries, such as France. So, we hope that thanks to this video, you now have a better idea of our subject. We are looking forward to seeing you and talking to you more about it on Monday.